Do you buy on Jumia every week? What if I tell you you can actually get paid while shopping? For real, in Nigeria! Stop leaving money on the table. I'll show you exactly how.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you buy things online in Nigeria, clothes, phone accessories, kitchen items, you can actually earn money while buying them. Today I'll show you how Nigerians are earning from Jumia using JForce. JForce is a program from Jumia that allows you to earn commission whenever orders are placed through your account. You can earn in 3 simple ways. 1. When you buy something for yourself. When you help someone place an order, many people don't know how to shop online. You help them and earn. When you share your product link on WhatsApp, Facebook, or anywhere, people buy through your link, you earn. Let's talk about money because that's what matters most. After the item is delivered, your commission reflects in your account. 8,500 above gets paid directly to your Nigerian bank account. Below 3,500, converted into a voucher you can use to buy something else on Jumia.
Now that you know how JForce works and how much you can earn, let me show you exactly how to register step by step so you can start earning today. First, open your Jumia app on your phone or go to the Jumia website on your browser. Make sure you are logged in with your usual Jumia account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up first. It is fast and free. Once you are logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see a link called JForce. Click on it. This will take you to the JForce program page. This is where all the magic happens. On the page, you will see a button that says register now. Go ahead and click it. This will open a simple form where you input your details. Here is where you add your name, phone number, email, and your bank account details. This is where your earnings will be paid. Make sure everything is correct. Mistakes here can delay your payment. Also, choose a strong password for your JForce dashboard so you can log in securely. After registering, go back to the JForce login page and sign in with your new credentials. Congratulations, you now have access to your dashboard where you can track your earnings, see orders, and start sharing your links. From this dashboard, every time you buy, help a friend order, or share your link, your earnings will start showing up here. These are tips to actually earn. You have to share your product links on WhatsApp groups, Facebook, or Instagram. The more people order through your link, the more you earn. Help friends or family place orders they were planning to buy anyway. Check your dashboard daily for commissions and voucher balance.
If you want to start earning while shopping, use my registration link in the description or pinned comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone in Nigeria who shops online. Let's make online shopping profitable for everyone. Thank you for watching and happy earning.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.